In this demo, I'm doing a quick sketch of Edward, a little pit bull. I was at a family event and I had some markers in my sketchbook and sat down for, the better part of 10 minutes and sketched him. Things that you're going to see me doing here is I'm truly working in a more painterly style. I'm doing quite a bit of putting down marks, I'm putting down darks, and then I'm grabbing a blender and I'm painting on the canvas. I'm actually dipping into those marks that I put down almost as though it's a palette, and I am going right back out and painting with it. I'm also spending a lot of time trying to stay organized. I call this controlled chaos. And what I mean by that is I'm letting a lot of things happen, but I'm also trying to organize it. You're going to see me do quite a bit of putting down strokes and then cleaning them up. If you look at this right now, you can see that those darks really aren't very unified. And coming up, you're going to see me fix that up. I'm going to take all those different values in the dark and I'm going to unify them. If you look at Edward there, if you squint your eyes, you're going to see that in his darks on the right, the light is coming from his right, our left, and his darks are basically one value. I'm doing that right here. I'm grabbing my blender and I'm pulling those things out, and the focus is I'm trying to flatten out my darks. That's a really important thing with painting. You want to get that graphic read. Even if you've got all kinds of nice painterly things happening, it's really, really important to get that graphic read. As I get close to the end of this, I want to address how I'm always talking about painting. I don't actually see drawing and painting as that different. If you watch some of my other videos, you'll see me working with burnt umber pickouts, and I oftentimes view paint as just wet charcoal. It's different than if you're drawing in a linear way, but you can draw in a very tonal way. You can actually paint in a very linear way. And that's exactly what I'm doing here. I'm thinking about this almost as though it's a painting. It's just the way that I like to do things. It's how I see things. I feel very comfortable seeing things in big blocks of tone. Knowing that I don't have that much time here, I'm focused, as I had talked about earlier, on just organizing this, just trying to get my values flat. And this is about where it's going to be. There's Edward, cute little pit bull, sitting there, great little model. Thanks for coming. I appreciate it. Until next time, thanks again.